it was amazing to see his interaction, as everyone knows, with children, with our daughter, with one of the Kilberger children. And just amazing to be with him again. My wife and I and our daughter have had the opportunity to be with His Holiness in the States at Syracuse University at his 75th birthday in Washington, D.C. And so this is beyond refreshing and inspiring, uplifting, and in a real sense, we're working on a project called Realize the Dream. My father talked about freedom, justice, equality for all humankind. And His Holiness has always talked about being one people. And the problem in our society is we get segregated and caught up in our own small conditions, as opposed to saying, look, we are a world community. And if we want to bring peace, justice, we have to work together.
Tata Martin Luther King tam Junior nabazo mangpu kengi ore tana de arena lolia kanda chik merigi kata top down kolia mixe ki language page and hakor to cheme shiwelamne tamlan pe nyege nyata change ki ta shunu chimbo yete nyege manage cha de ore ani jangurum je Martin Luther King Junior lia kanda shira zidong yonggo de Martin Luther King Junior ki Quran cheme shiwe tamlam de Mahatma Gandhi ki tamlam lalen tarbin sungorwa Is Yane Yang to Mahatma Gandhi Kanang by Shoglia, Martin Luther King, Semeshi Lam Nubatum, but the Kanangi or things at the Tanga Arichu number of Martin Luther King, that Quran, Jinju Changi, family, Quran Foundation to Zulia, Kundun Java Manguna Yorella, and Martin Luther King Central, and Atlanta, Telechip Yuna, and Tade Chalia, and Dalai Lama Central, and Vancouver, Yobatida, Martin Luther King ki foundation ni songje ge tone jangurum je gongse ki yarab jo san pe ya chita lakbor tu ene shunu zolo ya ane chapchimo pe ya ge tablam che talent chenga chaye nega dire